All right, this 2006 Nissan Titan. So they see it's the engine light. And when you find out this is what's going on, let me check to see what kind of code it has. So one code. The Nissan dealer was saying that the canister is bad, so I want to make sure it's bad. Alright, the evaporator emission system went control circuit short. Okay, they want to replace the canister po448. That is the evaporator emission system vent control circuit short. There's a bolt holding right here, and this two is a 210. Remember, this one doesn't have the spare, so easier down here. But if you have the spare, take the spares out, it'll be much easier for you. And then one more on this side. Not sure my camera you can see it, but only 3 bolts holding this thing here. See, now it came up. So you have to unplug this right here. Super dirty. There's a clip down here that you have to pry to get it out. Second sensor right here. Press. There. What you have to do, this right here, just pry this open, pry that open, pry this side open, and this 2 clip right here, that open too, so you can pull it out. That's pretty tight in space. If you don't remove the tire right here, good thing to, if you don't remove the spare, you don't have much room. And second that, if you don't remove this tire, you don't have much room. But this is pretty open down here. You can do it without either or, but it's the best way to remove the spare tires out. Alright, can't get a new one, so I got a used one. So I swapped part already, and I'm going to put that one back in there and dry to see if how's the this used ones come out too. Okay, the new one, ooh, with the 2 sensor and that, like at the dealership, like $800, almost $900 just for this thing here. I don't know where it can get it cheaper than that, but auto part, I don't think they even have the sensor. They say the canister by itself right around like $300-400 already, and they don't even have it in my local store. It take a couple weeks to, I think like weeks to get it water. And so I got this used one. Hopefully it's work. So let's put this back in there to see how it's run. Okay, make sure it's enough in there, otherwise it won't click, then it's not good. There. All right, that's done. Let's go reset and test drive. Erase code, yes. Okay. Okay. Now let's crank it up. Let's go test drive. Hopefully it's good. Don't have a new, gotta use one. Alright, after I put about 10 miles only and everything is ready, the vehicle ready for smog, and no code, no pending codes, or not any of that, and all the light that required for smog is being ready to go. And it's a good engine too, because almost 190,000 miles. Car runs super quiet, and just because maybe they on the farm, so much dust and dirt collected, and that's why the canister got clogged up. So that's why I had that po448. Okay, so now it's been replaced and everything's good to go. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye bye now.